Greetings. As you progress forward with your stick fighting fitness drills, you can choose to enter into other forms of training. Here is an example of a controlled sparring drill that is done with a partner. In this drill, the attacker delivers an overhead strike. The defender responds by stepping diagonally forward and to the side. To the left in this case, while putting the stick up high in a deflecting block to help protect the head and shoulders. The defender then brings his or her stick down on top of the attacker's stick, then delivers an upward diagonal strike followed by a downward diagonal strike in the opposite direction. In a real attack, the first target could be the hands or arms instead of the stick, but you obviously should not do this to your training partner. While the defender is practicing, the attacker should also be practicing his or her overhead strike like this. You don't have to go all the way down to the ground with a stick. Just stop it at waist level. Here is the defender's block and counterattack from the front angle. Notice the direction of movement and the angle of the block. Also notice the shuffling steps, and how the student demonstrator throws his right foot back as he delivers the final strike. Work slowly, methodically, and carefully. You do not want to hit your partner, especially if you are using a wooden stick or boxing. Once you are comfortable with going to the left, practice doing this drill in the opposite direction. As with anything else, once you get the hang of it, you need lots of repetitive practice. We highly recommend wearing protective equipment while doing these kinds of drills. They can be done without protective sparring gear if both partners are mature and very careful to follow the training procedure. But we still recommend wearing equipment that protects at least the hands and the eyes. Do not hit your partner or mess around by trying to fake out your partner. This is where accidents always occur. An injury can put you out of training for a long time, or even permanently. Be smart, train safe, and train at your own risk.